Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to create a custom field in Power App Canvas app. Custom fields are used when the default fields are not enough and we want to store extra information such as phone numbers, comments, status or any business specific data. So I have already created this app named account form and I have already added an account form inside this app. Now I want to add a custom field to this form and I will show you how we can do that. So on the left hand side, under the tree view, first select the form from here. Then under the properties panel, click on edit field. After that, click on add field. If you want to add existing field to your form, you can add them from here as per your requirement. But I want to add a new custom field. So click on edit fields and at the top of the edit fields panel, click on new column. Now give the display name of the field as account data. If you want to add a description, you can enter it here. Now select the data type according to your requirement. In this case, I am selecting single line of text. The format is set to text, the behavior is simple, and the field is optional. After that, click on Save button. Now close the Edit Table window. Click on Add Field again. And as you can see, the custom field we just created is now visible. Select the field and click on Add. Now, the custom field has been successfully added to the form. So in this video, we learned how to add a custom field in a Power App Canvas app. Thanks for watching.